Okay, so maybe I'll stand here because I'm not used to use microphone. By the way, I'm doing my first presentation in English, so please don't beat me if I'll do some mistakes in English. So anyway, so what I'm doing, so I guess some of you already seen this sign, yes? So what we are doing, we are usually organizing business plan competition in every autumn. So this year we decided to do something in spring, and we decided to encourage those people who have the business idea, who do not have experience to organize and do their business. So what we decided to do is Verslavik X10 or times 10, I don't know. Yeah, so this is the photo from last year. So these guys are working in 13th floor in Business Center of Europe. We are working in 4th floor there. So we gave them lots of money, and in January we decided, we thought, you know, we gave 20,000 liters for those guys, and we were working all the time, you know, 4 months working for us. So for the spring we decided to not working for us, but work for give the work for the people. So what we decided to do. We got a question: how to make 10 times some added value for money 10 times. So, and we got the ROI 1000. So anybody has an idea how to get ROI 1000? So next slide will be the answer for you. But anyway, so do you have an idea how to make your money 10 times more?
You start.
Sorry.
Invest that times less.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, what else?
Sell guns.
Sell guns, yeah. Yeah, so there were some offers: sell guns, narcotics, drugs, and alcohol. So these are forbidden in our project. But yeah, so we just.
So not prostitution.
Yes. So we just decided how to make it. So you have to take, for example, 1 liters. And you have to make 10 liters, yes? You have to take, in second round, you have to take 10 liters and do something to make 100 liters. It's easy, yeah? But when you make it like that, so it's quite easy. Yeah, and if you take 100 liters, so you make 1,000, so it's easy. So this is the project, and this is the whole idea of our project for the spring. Yes. In the last round, so we are inviting some business people who want to participate and who want to compete with the students. So yeah, so there are some connections between those lines. Yeah, so and one of the main things you have to know and you have to take from my presentation here. So it's on 11th and 12th of April. So write down. Yeah, and so here is very important pitching. So we think that you might need some pitching skills. So for that one, you can go to our seminar and you can meet Igoris, who is really good at that because he's one of the founders of. Remind me of the organization.
Toastmasters?
Yeah, Toastmasters. Yeah, so you probably know that. And he's working in that area quite a long time, and as you said, his real price. So I was really amazed. Yeah, yeah, and this is mostly for students. Well, if you want to participate, so you just can write me, and we can make some deal. And. We already had our first round. So as you said, as you've probably seen, 1 liters to 10 liters. So we already have some results, and they are really amazing. So these are photos of the people who were really happy after the first day. Yeah, this is the money they earned. It took for them 3 hours. So if you are saying that you have to work 8 hours to earn some money, so it's not true because they worked shorter time. So can you do it? Yeah, so this is my presentation. So do you have any questions?